2022 Lexus NX SUV First Look Review. New Powertrains Bodod Tech. Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribe so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. Thank you. Ever catch up with that scrawny kid from high school, perhaps at a reunion a few years later, and they've transformed into a buffer, more outgoing person? Lining up the 2022 Lexus NX and its predecessor, which came out in 2015, is a bit like that. The newer NX is more powerful, more user-friendly and more luxurious than the small luxury SUV it replaces. The NX is once again based heavily on the contemporary Toyota RAV4 and is roughly the same size, but it presents as altogether more substantial as before. The NX has a distinctive domed roof that peaks over the second-row seats and wears the signature Lexus spindle grille and squinty headlights. The body appears wider, especially in the back, where new full-width taillights exaggerate the visual girth. The tailgate features widely spaced Lexus lettering, instead of the usual Lexus L logo, which remains on the NX's nose, in a font different from the one the company has used since 1990. Apparently the older font will stick around, but the newer one simply filled the wide space on the tailgate better. Okay. New UX for the NX. The NX's cabin is completely overhauled and now features a huge horizontal slab that holds either the standard 9.8-inch touchscreen or an optional 14.0-inch unit. The displays run an all-new infotainment system with simplified menus, Google-driven maps and search functions, and native Apple Music and Amazon Music apps that owners are able to sign into without their phones, since streaming is handled by an onboard data connection. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The displays, particularly the 14.0-inch unit, are stunning. The entire system worked quickly and seamlessly during a brief demo. The user experience UX also benefits from physical climate control knobs as well as a real volume knob. The old NX suffered from the Japanese luxury brand's annoying touchpad-controlled infotainment system, which demanded users swipe and poke at a laptop-style pad to move a cursor on the dashboard screen. Not exactly easy to do while driving. Practicality is also improved. Act time equals 0.2s greater than, with a more accommodating center console bin and a handy spot charging pad area ahead of the shifter for stowing a smartphone. The central tunnel feels less bulky and tall than before, enhancing the sensation of greater spaciousness up front. Eagle-eyed Lexus NX fans will notice the previous generation SUV's weird little removable vanity mirror is gone. Why was it there in the first place? So you could pass it to a rear seat passenger, or perhaps snort illicit drugs off it. Either way, the mirror is no more, having been sacrificed along with the touchpad controller on the altar of increased center console space.
Thanks for watching.
Drop a like, leave a comment,
And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.